Correct lubrication of equipment is an important condition for the normal operation of electromechanical equipment. Only by using lubricants scientifically and managing oil products well can we reduce equipment wear, reduce power consumption, extend equipment life, and ensure safe operation of equipment. In summary, the purpose of lubrication management is to ensure the normal operation of equipment and prevent equipment accidents, reduce body wear and extend service life, reduce friction resistance, and reduce kinetic energy consumption. Improve lubrication, save oil, and avoid waste. Improve and maintain production efficiency.
For more information, please click our official website and IG.